Hi everyone. Welcome to a kitchen interiors decor. This is my creative home in which I make creative crafts, designs, home decorations, office furniture, wall decoration for bedroom, metal furniture ideas, scrap metal ideas, cement craft, birthday cards, invitation cards, lantern, pendant lights, and anything that makes home a beautiful place. I would like to share my ability with all of you using my channel. If this sounds interesting to you, please stay in touch with us. Let's build a beautiful crafty world together. Kitchen accessories, kitchen rack, stylish kitchen, modern kitchen. Present you different cultures, people, and artwork in beautifully created amazing things. Handmade stuff is art. It takes so much time to build something. Hi everyone. Welcome to a kitchen interiors decor. This is my creative home in which I make creative crafts, designs, home decorations, office furniture, wall decoration for bedroom, metal furniture ideas, scrap metal ideas, cement craft, birthday cards, invitation cards, lantern, pendant lights, and anything that makes home a beautiful place. I would like to share my ability with all of you using my channel. If this sounds interesting to you, please stay in touch with us. Let's build a beautiful crafty world together. Kitchen accessories, kitchen rack, stylish kitchen, modern kitchen. Presents you different cultures, people, and artwork in beautifully created amazing things. Handmade stuff is art. It takes so much time to build something.
you liked the video, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and activate the bell icon so that you receive all notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.